Hi everybody, it's John Randall here down at my favourite beach, Blairgowrie, Victoria, Australia. It's the 31st of March 2025 and today I'm taking out the Mistral Take Off, and I'm also using a sail I haven't used before. This is one of the very early easy sails. This is a 4.5 and I love the look of this sail. I'm hoping the wind is going to be right for it. It's very much an offshore wind, so we'll never quite know what it's like until we get out there. I might have to come in and change sails, but we'll see how we go. And at the end of the video, I'll talk a bit more about it. I'll show you some more footage of the sail, maybe through the video. We'll see how we go.
Or I go Houdini, I come and I
so back from my sail with the Mistral Take Off. What a wonderful sail it was too. The board just never ever gives up, does it? I mean, such a great board, so easy to use. And today was the first time I was using this new sail, this new old sail, which I think is circa, I'm going to say 1985. It's a north sail, but it's actually David Ezzy design. And it's a really great sail. I hope you can hear this over the wind noise. It is pretty windy down here. But this is a 4.5 sail, and it was just fantastic in the gusts.